Hello, dear students. Welcome to Mastan Accounts Academy, where accounting becomes simple through concept-oriented classes. Dear students, we are discussed second model problems. Now we are going to start a new model. Here, what is the model means here? If the firm purchase the machinery or concerned asset in the middle of the year, how to charge the depreciation in that particular middle of the year? We'll discuss in today's class. So, dear student, the question says that on 1st July 2021, Mira and company purchased a machinery for 80,000 and spent 5,000 on its installation. So, what is the cost of the asset you will get? You will get 85,000. And what is the rate of depreciation they are charging? They are charging at the rate of 12% per annum. Under which method? Under fixed installment method. Accounts are closed annually 31st December. So, dear students, if they are closing at 31st December, what it indicates? It indicates that they are following the calendar year and prepare machinery account for the first 3 years. First 3 years adugutunnadu. So, we'll go for the ledger account now. We'll go for the ledger account here. So, the ledger account is machinery account. Okay? Machinery account. So, the date of purchasing of the machinery is on which date as per the question? It is clearly given on 1st July 2021. So, 1st July 2021 is the machinery purchase date. So, please be careful here. 1st July 2021 to bank account how much? It is 80,000 plus 5,000. 80,000 plus 5,000 will get 85,000 and it is clearly mentioned that they are following which year? Calendar year. Calendar year means simply write 31st December 21 by depreciation account. ఈ మోడల్లో ఈ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఒక్కటే చేంజ్ ఎప్పుడు కొన్నారు? జూలైలో కొన్నారు. జూలై టు డిసెంబర్, జూలై, ఆగస్ట్, సెప్టెంబర్, అక్టోబర్, నవంబర్, డిసెంబర్ అంటే 6 months. అంటే ఈవెన్ దో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ద క్యాలెండర్ ఇయర్, బట్ they have been purchased the machinery in the middle of the year, and from the purchase of the machinery to the end of the financial year, or you can say calendar year, how many months utilize me? They utilize 6 months. అంటే కొన్న రోజు నుంచి అకౌంటింగ్ ఇయర్ ఎండింగ్ కి ఎన్ని మంత్స్ వాడారు? 6 months వాడారు. కాబట్టి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేద్దాం. 85,000 into what is the rate of depreciation? 12% into 6 months కాబట్టి 6/12. ఒకవేళ 4 months వాడింటే 4/12. 3 months వాడింటే 3/12. Just calculate it from. You'll get 85,000 into 12% into 8,500, okay, 10,200 will get into 6/12. So you'll get how much here? 5,100. So calculate చేసుకోండి. లేదు సార్ ప్రూఫ్ కావాలంటే జస్ట్ గో ఇట్. క్యాల్కులేటర్ వాడుతున్నాను, కానీ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో క్యాల్కులేటర్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ అలౌడ్. జస్ట్ మీకు వెరిఫికేషన్ కోసం చూపిస్తున్నాను. To verify it, 85,000, just calculate it, sir. 85,000 into 12/100, 10,200 into 6/12. Sorry, 85,000 into 12/100 equal 10,200 into 6 divided by 12. You'll get how much, dear students? 5,100. That's what I did, So ikkada first year ki matram emaitandi 5,100 depreciation, because it is utilized for the part of the year, not full year. So part of the year vaadaru machinery. So take 5,100 here. ఈ ఒక్క పాయింట్ తప్ప మిగతా అంతా రొటీన్ ఆన్సర్, అండ్ దే ఆర్ ఓన్లీ మెషినరీ అకౌంట్. 85,000. Here also 85,000. 85,000 minus 5,100. So by balance carried down. So 85,000 లో 5,000 80,000 ఒక 100 పోతే 79,900. 79,900. Next, dear students, next on 1/1/2022 to balance brought down how much ma? 79,900 and 31st December 2022. ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్త వహించండి. By depreciation, ఈ ఇయర్ లో ఎన్ని రోజులు వాడారు? In this accounting year, how many months utilized means obviously full year utilized, because 1/1/2022 to 31/12/2022. So they have been utilized the full year. కాబట్టి simply 85,000 into 12/100. So as you know that it comes to 10,200. So balance చేద్దాం 79,900. 79,900 minus 10,200. So by balance carried down, 79 లో 10 పోతే 69, 69,900 200 పోతే 700. So you get how much was 69,700. And here 3 years kada, first 2 years అయిపోయినాయి, కానీ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో హాఫ్ ఇయర్ అయినా ultimately 3 years means it comes under first year. Okay na? So 1/1/2023 to balance brought down how much, dear students? 69,700 and 31st December 23 by depreciation account. Full year వాడారు ఇక్కడ కూడా, only first year మాత్రమే half year. Okay na? Now balance again, once again balance it. 69,700, 69,700, 69 to 10 పోతే 59, 700 200 పోతే 500. So by balance carried down 59,500. And just 3 years complete కదా. So first year half year అయినా కూడా ఓవర్గా 3 years means 3 depreciations ఉండాలి. First depreciation half year, second depreciation full year, third depreciation also full year. And 1/1/2024 to balance brought down 59,500, and it indicates the same procedure. The value of the machinery that we bought on 1/1/17/2021 for 85,000. In the first year only, we are calculating the depreciation for 6 months. The reason, we bought in the month of July and we are following the calendar year, ends on 31st December. So July to December 6 months. ఈ యొక్క చిన్న క్యాల్కులేషన్ తప్ప సేమ్ రొటీన్ ఆన్సర్ 85,000 into 12/100 into 6/12. So you get 5,100. కానీ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఫుల్ ఆడకపోతే ఫుల్ చేద్దాం. అండ్ ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ దే ఆస్క్డ్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద మెషినరీ అకౌంట్ మాత్రమే అడిగారు, మిషనరీ చేస్తాను. ఒకటి డిప్రిసియేషన్ అకౌంట్ అడిగింటే అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాల? డిప్రిసియేషన్ అకౌంట్ లో టూ మెషినరీ అని ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ మాత్రమే 5,100 బై పిఎన్ అకౌంట్ 5,100. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ 2 మెషినరీ 10,200 బై పిఎన్ అకౌంట్ 10,200. థర్డ్ ఇయర్ 2 మెషినరీ 10,200 బై పిఎన్ అకౌంట్ 10,000. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ మాత్రమే ఈ 5,100 తో పోస్ట్ చేస్తాం. సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ 10,200 and 10,200. మనం సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం కాబట్టి విల్ ట్రై టు డూ వన్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఇదే వీడియోలో ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లం చేసే ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఇల్లుస్ట్రేషన్ నంబర్ 7 విల్ కాపీ నౌ. So what is the question they are saying here? The question says that on 1st October 2022, Rakesh Enterprises purchased a machinery for 57 lakhs. So the cost of the machinery is 57 lakhs. Date of purchase. Dates are very, very important in depreciation. So please, all the students are instructed to read the question carefully. Question ni perfect ga chadavandi, appude answer easy ga cheyagalama. Okay na? And paid installation charges 3 lakhs. So the cost of the asset becomes 57 lakhs plus 3 lakhs. So it comes to 60 lakhs. And firm decided to depreciate the machinery at the rate of 15% per annum under original cost method, and they was required to show the machinery account for the first 3 years, assuming that firm follows financial year. So it's clearly mentioned in the question, it is following the financial year. So dear students, before doing the answer, dates and amounts were very, very important. So once again, go to the question. On 1st October 2022, they purchased a 57 lakh machinery and the installation is 3 lakhs. And from decided the rate of 15% depreciation under original cost method, and they are following the financial year. They asked me to prepare the machinery account for the how many years here? First 3 years they are asking. Okay. So first open the ledger account here. The ledger account name is machinery account. Machinery account. 1st October 2022 is the date of purchase of the machinery. 1st October 2022 to bank account. To bank account. It is 57 lakhs is the cost of asset plus 3 lakhs is the installation expenses. So, dear students, the cost of total asset comes to 60 lakh. Cost of the total asset comes to 60 lakhs. Be careful. And they are following the financial year. Financial year means October 2022 means they ends on 31st March 23. So just calculate the period of utilization from October to March. October, November, December, January, February, March. So it have been utilized for the period of 6 months. So by depreciation, by depreciation account. So what is the cost of the asset? 60 lakh into what is the rate of depreciation? 15%. 60 lakhs into 15 by 100. 15 by 100 into 6 by 12. 6 by 12. So on 60 lakhs, if you calculate 15%, you will get 9 lakhs into 6 by 12. That comes to 4 lakh 50,000. So the depreciation is 4 lakh 50,000. Just for the first month only, you have to calculate the 60 lakhs is the total. $60 lakhs minus 4 lakh 50,000. So by balance carried down by balance carried down 60 lakhs minus 4 lakh 50,000 get 55 lakh 50,000. So dear students, the only change that you can notice here is for the first year, the utilization is from October to March, that is 6 months. We have to calculate the depreciation for 6 months. That's it. And remaining same procedure. So 1/4/23 is the beginning of the financial year, 1st April 23 to balance brought down. To balance brought down, it comes to 55 lakh 50,000 and 31st March 24 by depreciation. By depreciation, here you have to calculate for the full year. Full year means 60 lakhs into 15 by 100. 60 lakhs into 15 by 100. How much you get? You get 9 lakh. You'll get how much more? 9 lakh. So we'll balance the asset now again. We'll balance the asset. Which side is higher? 55 lakh 50,000 is the highest. So write 55 lakh 50,000 on both sides. 55 lakh 50,000. Dear student, just balance it now. 55 lakh 50,000 minus 9 lakhs. 55 minus 9, how much you get? 46 lakhs. 46 lakhs 50,000. You'll get how much here? 46 lakhs 50,000 is the Balance of the asset 55 lakh 50,000 or 9 lakhs is 46 lakhs 50,000. And next month, 1st April 2024. 1st April 2024. To balance brought down. 46 lakhs 50,000. And year ending is 31st March 25. By depreciation, this is for full year. This for full year by depreciation account for the full year 9 lakh. So 46 lakh 50,000 or 9 lakhs you saying it. So 46 lakhs 6 lakhs minus 9 lakhs. Okay, 6 over 3 both is 37 lakhs. So 46 lakh 50,000. 46 lakh 50,000. Now you'll get by balance carried down 37 lakh 50,000 and write it 1425 1425 to balance brought down 37 lakh 50,000. That's it, dear students. Now you can just notice here, the asset which have been purchased on 1st October 2022 for 60 lakhs. Only for the first year, it have been used for 6 months. I calculated for only 6 months, 4.5 lakhs, and remaining period 9 lakhs, 9 lakhs. So what is the asset value? 37 lakh 50,000. Okay, dear students. So far, what we discussed means we have discussed the first 2 marks questions. No, that is annual depreciation as well as the rate of depreciation calculation next month. Only model 1, when rate of depreciation is given in the question, how to calculate, we have discussed now 3 problems. What are the 3 problems? Harsha Traders, Hardik and Brother, Sharda and Son. And we have discussed when the rate of depreciation is given in the question, that is illustration number 4, Wipro Limited, Kishore Limited, Meera and Co. and illustration 7, Rakesh Enterprises. And next model that we are going to discuss is problems on sale of asset. That is very, very important. It is very, 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 very important for examination point of view. So in our next videos, we are going to discuss and the sale of asset that is discussed that we are going to discuss related to examination point of view. That's it for today. Thank you to all. Have a good day to all of you, dear students.